Tugas Bahasa Inggris.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Atta Nurlatifah, class 11 social 1 number 10. And
I'm Sabrina Andira Putri, number 29, class 11, social 1.
Good. We will first describe an article about the effects of smoking.
smoking is a cylinder of paper like between 70 to 120 mm, varies depending on the country, with a diameter of approximately 10 mm containing the tobacco leaves that have been tattooed. The cigarette burned at on and unallowed to simmer so that the smoke can be inhaled through the mouth at the other end. Smoking is usually sold in a bundle or box packaging paper that can be incorporated easily into pocket. Since the last few years, the bundles are also generally accompanied by health message that warns smokers of the dangers to health that can be caused from smoking. Smoking can cause cancer, heart attacks, impotence, and interruption of pregnancy. However, the words are only used as a mere decoration. Indonesia, as an agricultural country, facilitates the farms to grow tobacco in Indonesia. Not alone with the selling price of tobacco is very high. Tobacco farmers were mostly originated from the island of Java. Most of the drop of his life from the sale of the tobacco panels. Well, if smoking is banned, then they will lose their livelihood and prosperity. Manufacturer of smoking is also highly benefited with the recording of tobacco leaves from the farmers. Cigarette companies also employ a lot of labor so that cigarette companies indirectly help solve the problem of unemployment in Indonesia. In addition, cigarette companies also profit a lot of foreign exchange for Indonesia. A large cigarette tax, the seller as a distributor of cigarettes is also the untapped benefit. A lot of buyers as well as the supply of smoking that there is no stopping, making it easy to sell cigarette distributor smoking in Indonesia.
Therefore, smoking has an effect or great for many people, especially in the field of financial. It is very difficult to do the banning or even stop production of smoking because it will interfere with the livelihood of many people and increase the number of unemployment in Indonesia. But on the other hand, if the government let the rampant cigarette production, then the community will be threatened. Smoking is proven to have over 4,000 semisal that not only damages the health of people worse nor it, but also people who inadvertently breathe the smoke, because it not often we see a warning is prohibited smoking in public places. But with the level of social care community is low, then any warning will not be meaningful to them. Thus, it is not a habit that shall be regulated or fixed, but the origin of the catastrophe must be removed. In the case, prohibiting the production and circulation of smoking is the most appreciated solution so that although many people need it. But if smoking is there, then the addict inevitably had to stop. One of the issues with the smoker itself, the effect of smoking is psychologically addictive or addiction in smoker themselves. Smoker will become stagnant if not stop smoking within a certain time. Addiction to smoking is the thing that is included in the psychological effect because the substances then that smoker. Furthermore, the effect of addiction to smoking above will result in the addition of a number of consumption of smoking more than usual, but again, causing between health or prosperity, the government will remain in a difficult choice, very inappropriate if in a state of high consumption of smoking as this. The public blamed the government that did not want to stop the production of cigarettes, in addition to providing prosperity for some. Smoking also has an important role in our national income sources, but a problem is sure to have the solution. The only way is the government shall profit other livelihoods for communities that rely off smoking. As such, then the government will feel safe if the health of production.
I am here to present the smoking effect. Cause smoking. Number 1. For example, family. Family factor, for example, the result of imitating parents.
Number 2, environmental. Factor also cause adolescent to smoke. For example, the feeling of wanting to try cigarettes because seeing to environmental, many people use cigarettes. Number 3, social factor. Then the social factor, namely following friends, feeling bad if you don't smoke and so on. Next, smoking effect.
Number 1, true. The contents of cigarette smoke, one of which is nicotine, can damage blood vessels, including in the brain. Blood flow to the brain is disrupted due to blockage of blood vessels in the brain. In smokers, the risk of stroke is higher than non-smokers.
Number 2, lung cancer. Smoking can significantly increase the risk of lung cancer. In fact, lung cancer is the first cause of death as a danger of smoking. Male smokers have an increased risk of lung cancer by 25 times and women up to 27 times. Not only lung cancer, smokers are also at risk of developing inflammation of the respiratory tracts, such as bronchitis.
Number 3, heart disease. Smoking is one habit that greatly contributes to heart disease. These heart problems include atherosclerosis and peripheral artery disease. Atherosclerosis occurs when there is a buildup of plaque in the blood vessels. This plaque buildup blocks the flow of blood and can be fatal. Meanwhile, peripheral artery disease occurs when the arteries in the legs and arms become narrowed, which also interferes with blood flow.
Number 4, the eye disorders. The eye also do not escape the danger of smoking for health. These unhealthy habits can interfere with vision and increase the risk of various eye disease. The eye disease include glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataract.
The 5, teeth yellowing and pores. Another long-term health hazard of smoking is teeth that look yellow and brown. Not only is the tooth discolored, this part of the mouth is also prone to pores.
Number 6, anxious and restless. Not only physical problems, the dangers of smoking can also be in the form of psychological problems, such as anxiety and restlessness. This effect occurs when you try to withdraw from notice a substance in cigarettes.
Number 7, yellowed finger and wrinkled skin. The substances contained in cigarettes can dry out the skin and trigger premature aging. The discretion of blood flow also makes the skin malnourished. In addition, if you notice smokers' fingers also tend to turn yellow, it is the effect of cigarette.
So many presentations about the effect of smoking